the Southbank. This is the London Eye, one of London's most iconic landmarks, with views of all across the city. Full of markets. There's loads of different food markets, and most days of the week you can find this famous book market. On the Southbank you can find tons of different places to eat and drink. There's restaurants, cafes, and lots of different food stalls and vans. Many beaches along the River Thames. From here you can see St Paul's Cathedral, the City of London, and the Oxo Building. Tate Modern, one of the most famous art galleries in London. There's modern art from all over the world here, including famous pieces by Andy Warhol and Roy Lichtenstein, amongst many, many, many others.